I'm Derek Briggs, the director of the Peabody Museum. We have probably something like 12 million specimens in 11 different divisions, ranging right across the map from historical scientific instruments through the whole range of biological and paleontological collections into rocks and minerals, and of course a major holding of anthropological materials. The Peabody is very active, has a lot of faculty curators and excellent collections managers, and we're continually building those collections. So there are faculty and collections managers actively on expeditions every year. My own division, which is invertebrate fossils, for example, is currently working in Morocco, collecting remarkably preserved fossils that tell us about the early evolution of the major groups. The vertebrate zoology division are also constantly involved in expeditions. Rick Prum's colleagues go to Suriname regularly to collect birds and are finding new species. And Tom Neer, who's also in vertebrate zoology, is working in the Antarctic on, among other things, nototheniod fishes, these fishes with antifreeze. We use those collections in a variety of ways. Inevitably, the paleontological collections are used in part to look at extinction. Leo Hickey, our paleobotanist, is considering the impact of the Cretaceous disaster which wiped out the dinosaurs and looking at the plant communities immediately after the extinction and how they recover. Antonio Monteiro, in ecology and evolutionary biology, uses our butterfly collection and indeed augments it with brush-footed butterflies. She's looking at the development of eye spots, and she uses our 100,000 or so specimens, and in addition some 70,000 images of these things to track the distribution of eye spots on wings in different butterfly genders and across seasons. And of course we have very extensive anthropology collections, most of which are at West Campus, and we have scholars coming in from all over the world to look at that material. We have a heavy involvement by students in the collections, not just Yale students, but also students from other universities and indeed from the New Haven community. Those students are doing a variety of things. They're researching the collections, they're coming to classes based on the objects, they're interning, they're volunteering in terms of collections management, and of course many students, both undergraduates and high school students, work in the main museum helping to explain the exhibits to the public. So the public sees the Peabody as exhibits and education, from, I guess, diamonds to dinosaurs. But as you can see, the Peabody is also an extraordinary resource for scientific research and teaching. So we serve undergraduates and graduate students and researchers here from Yale, and indeed visitors from all over the world who come to do work on our collections and to write scientific papers using this extraordinary Yale resource.